Hello everyone. So today we are back with another video, and this time we will let you know how we have generated almost $189,000 in terms of sale for the bike and cycle accessories brand. So our partnership started with them in June 2023 when the client was searching for a professional digital marketing manager to manage their Google Ads account. The client watched our video. So now in terms of the client challenges, the client expressed dissatisfaction with their previous agency due to several reasons. Firstly, their account experienced a consistent decline in performance each month. Secondly, they did not observe steady or reliable improvements in their services. Lastly, the agency charged the client excessively for their services. So now in terms of why they have hired us, that is Softtrix. Since the client was already in the process of seeking a new agency to manage their ads campaigns, they were specifically interested in finding a partner that expertise in electric bike and a deep understanding of the market. So now for our strategies, that is the solution we have implemented for them. First thing is we have started with a well-structured account. This means creating separate shopping campaigns for different product categories like e-bikes, electric scooters, and then dividing each campaign into the ad groups based on the specific product. This will help you better manage your budget and track your results. We have done the optimization of the product feeds for the shopping ads. We noticed that our product titles and description were not optimized for high volume or relevant keywords, so we focused on doing the optimization for them. We have used the dynamic remarketing to target people who have visited our website. Dynamic remarketing allows you to show ads to people who have visited your website but didn't make a purchase. This is a great way to remind people about your product and encourage them to come back and buy. We have tested the Performance Max campaign. Once we have good data from the campaign, we then started PMax campaign without any assets so that our ads only show up on the Google Shopping Network. So we have also used the placement script for PMax campaign to verify where our ads were shown and how much we have spent on each placement, that is including search, shopping and display. So now we have also set up the brand campaign for them for the brand related searches. Dynamic search ad setup was done so as it works for the e-commerce site, and we were able to see the transaction from relevant searches such as, so you can just access that video from the I button. Also we will leave the video link in the description box below. So after watching that video, our client, the owner of bike and cycle accessories, contacted us through our WhatsApp number flashing on my left. We at Softtrix have 15 plus years of experience in the digital marketing field. So by using our experience, we corrected some mistakes made by previous agency who were managing their Google Ads account and were able to generate 19 lakh plus dollars in the span of just 30 months in the month of September. So now our client, has discussed previously, was a bike and cycle accessories brand. They were selling products like bike helmets, riding gloves, designer helmets and racing helmets. Not only this, they were selling the electric bike and also different kind of accessories for them, such as their chargers and bottle holders. So the client had a variety of products. They were not able to generate remarkable revenue from their previous digital marketing manager. So they contacted us to increase their revenue and to improve their online presence. So now in terms of the challenges that we have faced, the e-commerce brand faced several challenges that required a strategic approach. These included the inaccurate conversion tracking. The brand's Google Ads account suffered from inaccurate conversion tracking, leading to their unrealistic performance data. Softtrix had to rectify this issue to obtain reliable insight. The second thing was regarding having the limited campaign diversity. The brand was running only one eBikes campaign, missing out on the potential of the other campaign type. The lack of customization. The brand was using generic Shopify product pages which were insufficient for their competitive niche. So now, in terms of the strategies that we have used, Softtrix devised a comprehensive strategy to address these challenges. The first thing was to fixing the conversion tracking. Before implementing these changes, Softtrix fixed the conversion tracking issue. This involved resolving double and triple tracking problems to ensure that we are getting the accurate data. Second one was the campaign diversification. Softtrix introduced a more diversified approach to campaign. This includes two PMAX campaign. One was the existing one and the other one was a new campaign designed for the non-performing product, which was just not getting much traffic and budget in the existing campaign. We have done 3 such campaigns. These included a dynamic search campaign, branded search campaign, and a generic prospecting campaign to test out different strategies. We then done the optimization of the Google shopping feed by optimizing the feed titles, the description and images to attract more customers and then get better traffic. So you can see the top converting search term which brought us the conversions at good ROAS. Also, in terms of the top performing product, you can see the top performing products on your screen. So as a result, we are able to generate $189,000 in terms of revenue for this store. So if you have any PPC campaigns running within the same niche, you can contact us for the free audit. In the audit, we will let you know what you are doing and what you need to do so that you can maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But if you do not have any ads running, then you can still contact us for the proposal. You can just share with us the website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting. We should be able to get back to you with the proposal on basically what are all you doing and what you need to do so that you can maximize the ROI from your website and bring in some more sales online. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.